Hello, class. Well, today we're going to be talking about horizontal and vertical lines. The topics we're going to cover in this video are graphing horizontal and vertical lines, determining the slope of horizontal and vertical lines, and writing equations of horizontal and vertical lines. So, here are a few basics, okay? You really need to remember these. Hoi! 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 Yep, that's what I'm saying right here. H-O-Y. Hoi! So, anyway, that hoi has a special meaning, okay? The H means horizontal, okay? Horizontal, okay? The H is horizontal. This isn't really an O, it's a zero, okay? That means a zero slope. Okay? And the Y in this is Y equals a constant. Okay, that's going to be the equation for a horizontal line. Okay, for instance, y equals 2. And we see that one right down here in a minute. Okay, so that's a hoi. Well, that has a cousin. The cousin to hoi is vox. 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 Okay, you can hear our dogs in the background. They're going vox. Not really, but they kind of sounds like that way. Anyway, the H in hoi, we got a V in vox, and the V is here vertical. Okay, vertical. The U is going to be the slope of a vertical line, and that's going to be undefined. Okay, and the X is going to be X equals a constant, and that's going to be the equation for a vertical line. X equals a constant. Okay, so if you had like X equals, I don't know, 32, that'd be a vertical line crossing the x-axis at x equals 32. Okay, let's take a look at how we're going to graph some of these. Okay, so graph the following linear equations. X equals 3. Well, is that a hoi or a vox? Well, you see right here it is x equals. Okay, so that is going to be a vox. This is a vox. Okay, so I have a vertical line going through x equals something. That's going to be through x equals 3. So I come over here where x equals 3. I'm going to have a vertical line right here. Okay, x equals 3. Boy, I wish you could draw a vertical line better than that. But that's x equals 3. Here I have y equals 2. Well, that's a hoi. Okay, and I'm going to go to where y equals 2, and I now have a horizontal line right through here. Okay, right through there. Y equals negative 3. That's also a hoi. Okay, you're going to go down to negative 3, and boom. Now, I want to point something out on these lines. Okay, here, every x value is 3. So I have 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 3. All x equals 3. Okay, here, all the y's equal 2. All y equal 2. Similarly here, all the y's equal negative 3. That's real important for this next step, okay? So determine the slope of the line between each set of points. So for this first one, I have 7, negative 3, and 4, negative 3. You notice here, the y's are the same, okay? That would actually be this line right here. Y equals negative 3, okay? So that's going to be the slope is 0. Yeah, that's going to be the slope right there. Here, you can see negative 1, 5, and negative 1, negative 2. Well, the x's are the same, okay? So the equation for this line would be x equals negative 1, and the slope is going to be undefined. Okay, I'm going to abbreviate it there. Here, 0, 3, 0, 17. Wow. Okay, the x's here are 0. Okay, so that'd be x equals 0. By the way, we're also going to call that the y-axis. Okay, that's that bad boy right there. Okay, and the slope there would be undefined. And last but not least here, negative 3, 7, and 9, 7. Well, you can see here that the y's are the same. So that would be the line y equals 7. And that would be the slope equal to 0. Okay, let's take a look at one more skill you might see in this area. Okay, we're talking vertical and horizontal lines. Okay, write the equation of each of the lines. So in this case, you're given the graph of the line. We're talking about this red line right here. Well, this is a hoi. Okay, it's a horizontal line. Hoi. Okay, so I know that's going to be a y equals for the equation. And here, y equals 1, 2, y equals 3. Fantastic. And here we have another red line here. This is a vox. Okay, so that's going to be x equals, and in this case, x is going to equal negative 2. Okay, coming down here, write the equation of the line between 9, negative 4, and 4, negative 4. Well, we've got y's that are the same. So in this case, it would be y equals negative 4. And here, the line between negative 3, 7 and negative 16. Okay, well, the x's are the same. So that would be x equals negative 3. Okay, after watching this video, you should be able to determine the slope, the graph, and the equation of horizontal and vertical lines. Hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, see me in class. Thank you.